Yo, what's up, everyone? How's it going? So this is gonna be the month of December, the profits, and yeah. So from merch by Amazon and Etsy, there's a lot of stuff going on today. Sweaters. They announced that sweaters will be coming out on a rollout basis to tier 100 and above. So that's pretty amazing. I just want you guys to understand how powerful that is. That just means more profits, more traffic, more everything. You know what I mean? So it's gonna be fun. It's gonna get funner and funner and funner, and that should show you right there that it's gonna scale. All this is gonna scale, and this is probably gonna be one of the best years for me. I already know it. And Happy New Year too, by the way. So let's get straight into the video. We're gonna show you the stats for December, and yeah, it was a good month. I know there was a lot of throttling going on, but it just, you knew it was going to happen. We all knew it was going to happen, but I didn't think it was going to happen too bad, but it kind of happened pretty bad. And yeah, it kind of slowed down a lot of the work from my designers. My main designer was designing a lot still, 10 to 15 a day. And my other designers, they were cut one of them down to 5 a day because just kind of slowed everything down. And you know what I mean? And as you can see, the last 7 days, it's a little slow still. Okay, but my shirts, my top shirts, are making sales again, and I'm already focused on the next holiday. So yeah, so let's get into it. Show you. All right, so. And yeah, so this month was the best month. It's December, 4th quarter, you know what I mean? It's go time. And when I see the numbers like this, I'm just like, wow. Because only thing I can think about now is actually going into 2018, and I can't wait for December. So that should be your main focus right now. If you put up crazy numbers, let's say you put over, even over 3K is still good. So I want you guys to understand that. But once you start, if you're putting up numbers 5 or 6, there's next year in December, I'll guarantee you that I'll hit over 10K in profit for sure. And yeah, that's pretty much it about this right here. What I've been focusing on too a lot more is I want to start focusing with my uploader. I want to start focusing more on keywords, because pretty much I was listing all my shirts in December to $16.99, and I seen a lot of some people in the lower tiers, and they're just killing it because of their keywords. They have the most basic design, and they'll show it to me, and because they're cool with me. A lot of the sellers on here that are killing it, they're cool. They'll show me the numbers and stuff like that, because it's just they know that I'm all about helping out people and stuff like that. I want them to win. I'm not, if I see their numbers, I'm not gonna hate on them. I'm like, wow, that's crazy. You know what I mean? So that's just how I am. I don't want to give no negative vibes. I'm all about positive vibes and stuff like that, and helping each other out, because you never know. I might need their help later on, and they might need my help later on. So you know. One of the biggest things, like I said, was keywords. So what I've been doing too for the next holiday, as you can see right here, I'm already messing with it. The auto correct in the search bar. Just typing in Valentine's, and this is popping up already. So Valentine's Day. So when I type that in, let's see. There, see shirts for women. See that pops up. Another one I did was funny. And I want to this is what I'm going to be focusing on. I'm going to give my uploader a list of keywords to do. I'm probably give her 5 sets of keywords, and we're going to do a lot of testing. Okay, so that's pretty important. I think going into every single trend. So I wanted to kind of share that with you guys, kind of throw that little freebie out there. As you can see, look at funny, Valentine's Day, and I'm just going to scroll down. I'm just going to be looking at these keywords and trying to figure out what's driving traffic to these keywords, you know? Yeah, this is a cool one right here. Yeah, so I'm gonna basically do some research. I'm doing some keyword research all today, and I'm just gonna, like I said, I'm just gonna look at the titles and see what's driving traffic to the actual listing. So I see a lot of like, so Valentine's Day shirt. I see funny a lot. You notice that? Well, because I tapped it in up there, of course, but it seems like it's a good keyword. And then also to Valentine's, yeah, t-shirt. But I think shirt, it seems like shirt and t-shirt, and if you just put shirt, it automatically ranks up automatically. So yeah, that was kind of like a little tip that I wanted to share with you guys. It seems like a lot of people are doing it. And yeah, over here on Etsy too, I just did a previous video on it a couple days ago. And this is the month for Etsy for, so December 1st to the 31st. Let's refresh this for you guys again. Okay. The profit was anywhere, I think it was like $800 to $900 profit. Yeah, on merch by Amazon, of course, I did a crazy amount. So 1,409 shirts sold, 6,000, so almost $6,500 in profit. That's pretty crazy right there. That's cool. So yeah, the uploads just got released today. I'm at 120 uploads a day on Amazon. I'm just gonna kill it. Like, we're just gonna go full speed now, like how we were doing it. With Etsy, I've been testing a lot still. It seems like it's more of on Etsy's more stuff that you, of course, you can't buy in store. It's so like I see like a lot of onesies that are making sales. I haven't uploaded no onesies at all yet, but they do seem to, like my first Valentine's Day, like stuff like that, for kids and stuff. So that seems like it's been pretty good. From when I look at social media, like when I look on Instagram, I see like a lot of babies like this. My first Valentine's Day, my first, I want to say Super Bowl, but yeah, like stuff like that. My first New Year. That's another thing that I missed. When we all got frozen, I should have been hitting next year in December. I'm going to be hitting New Year's harder on Etsy, because I should have been throwing out onesies out there and stuff. They would have probably been making some crazy sales. But yeah, this was the best month on Etsy. I have an uploader uploading every day. As you can see, he's uploading 10 designs a day. If you can see it right there. Some crazy sales, like what, one day 254. The power with Etsy, of course, you get paid out every 2 days. Once you pass your 90 days, you get paid out every day. And you can, most of my traffic is coming straight from Etsy, from the buyers on Etsy. So some pretty cool stats to look at. But yeah, that's pretty much about it. I wanted to go over this video with you guys and just kind of show the insight of what I'm doing now. We're going to be hitting, like I said, we're going to be hitting all these next holidays, all the holidays coming up, all the trending holidays, going full speed, because I can upload to 120 a day, and I already have the sales to tear up again. I have like over close like 9,700 shirt sales already, and I'm going to be hitting it pretty hard. And yeah, that's pretty much about it. If you guys have any questions, please comment below and like and subscribe. Thank you very much.